I really like how simple this Halloween decor project is. And again, probably things you might have around the house, or if not, inexpensive materials that you're gonna need. The first thing I'm gonna start with is just a round, small votive bowl. I find these to work the best because we're gonna be making these spider nests on the votives and these candle votives. And I like the roundness of it because it just sort of has the, well, I guess a creepier kind of feel. So we're gonna take white yarn, inexpensive, and we're gonna start with a little dot of hot glue anywhere on the bowl. Place your piece of yarn on there, get it in place. It'll dry pretty quickly, and from here we're gonna start to wrap it. Now, as you wrap it, I'm gonna add small dots of hot glue and continue around and keep going back and forth, and around and around and around as a spider would build its nest or its web. Once the vessel is completely covered with the string and you're happy with it, from here we're gonna take some Podge glue, or you know what, you could even use white glue. It's gonna be fine. So that's completely fine whether you use the white glue or the Podge. What this will do is this will just sort of adhere the string to the glass bowl, and it'll make it a little sort of milky, which is kind of nice for the reflection once you put the votive in. And the beauty with this is that you could do any size. If you had a fish bowl lying around, or if you had like a glass or any sort of, maybe a big vase that you might have, which is great. And also don't worry, because after Halloween, if you want your vase back, you can put this in the sink with some hot water and everything will just sort of scrub right off. So don't worry about it. You're not ruining one of your good glass pieces if you have it. And from there, once this is completely done, let it dry, and then you can attach some little spiders to it. And once you place your votive candle in and light it, it forms a really, really beautiful sort of shadow on, it casts a beautiful shadow, say on books or wherever you're gonna place it. And these I use every Halloween in my home.